out there. He's on the street. He's alive.
What happened?
He's hit the damn concrete
Under
bridge.
the bridge?
I mean, the big part. Head on.
What?
I felt it on Crystal Hill Road.
Yeah, I was walking up to the office.
But he's out there in the middle of the street. You want to take a picture?
That's freaking crazy. Oh, it started back here?
Hey, the 18-wheeler's about this wide.
Oh my gosh. Good gosh. He got out though?
Yeah, he's over there on the ground, man.
Laying on the ground.
Laying on the playground. He's alive. He's moving around like he's
Oh my gosh.
He's burnt to hell, dude.
Oh, well, heck yeah, yeah.
But he is alive. His hair is fried off. You can see the burn marks.
See the burn marks and one of his legs all fucking.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, he's alive, dude, but he ain't gonna be right. Boy, these ambulances up here now. Where the hell are they?
No shit, dude.
That's bullshit.
It's been a good 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know. I called. All three of those people called.
He's got a life. Apparently, he just fucking.
Make rain, motherfucker. Man, did you see where he hit? Okay, I'm talking about the big part of the concrete. It's not this wall.
Yeah, they're talking about that fuel tank. He said, I'm getting back then.
That fuel tank goes, dude. It's